we're about to make our version of KFC. We're gonna call it the RFC, the Rochielin fried chicken. You know, outdoor style, country style, you know, coal stove setting. You would have seen part 1 of this video. I am in the countryside during lockdown in Jamaica. So we have our curfew that actually began at 4 o'clock today. It is now 4:58, and you know, I'm tired of being locked down in my house in Kingston, so I come all the way over to the countryside to Saviour, who you guys love so much, and we just a chill. Now you saw part 1 already. This is part 2 where we're gonna be making our version of KFC. It's gonna be called the RFC. It's the Rochielin fried chicken, and we're doing it country style. We're doing it on a coal stove, and we're doing it make it taste good. I mean, Tavia doing it, but you know. So we're doing it. So Tavia lighting a coal fire now. I'm done with the talking. Just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Press the subscribe button, and then let's get into the video. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What you doing?
Put strips in the fire. Another coal so it can catch properly.
What do strips do? Make it blaze?
Not really, but it just helps because the coal is coal.
Because the coal is coal.
Yeah. So you just use the strips. So when you catch it, it have something to keep the fire until the coal itself get fire on it.
Okay, we'll work with the explanation. So we chose not to cook inside on the stove because I wanted the coal fire experience. Come, I just feel like food that cooked on coal fire just tastes a little better. Yeah. And then we're in the country, so we need to do it a little cold. Yeah, but then rain started falling earlier.
So we almost changed our mind.
And then we have to just find a little spot and put it. And to tell you that I get the fire ready. You know what we can do? You know the marshmallows.
I know I always think about that.
We can do the s'mores in the night. That's so not good.
It's tell us where we're coming from, you know?
Yeah?
Yeah, but
we should have done that.
Yeah, so I have one fire for light, and we just light the fire and just stay outside and just hold a chill.
Just hold a chill, Bill. So we're gonna chill tonight, you know, because you know we just do a curfew, a lockdown.
Yeah, I'm along for little big people company.
Yeah, you're feeling them stressed out.
Yeah, both school and home.
Oh my gosh.
You got stressed.
So we just gonna chill, and of course I'm gonna take you guys around, you know, in the bushes. Mosquito, come out.
Right now?
Yeah,
you know.
In the night. I mean, mosquito don't really trouble me enough. I have the good blood, you know. Don't listen to me.
Really?
I have the good blood, man. No, that. You guys hear Ganelin in the back.
So me catch my cold stove and pack up the ones and can just leave it, make it stay there. It's crazy. You see how not do me?
Wow. What you saying?
You want me to eat the charcoal?
You can't eat the charcoal.
Yeah? When it burn and get active and so me just cool down my face and just eat it.
That's not good.
Yeah? So how you da drink it?
Me not drinking either.
Why?
Me use it wash my face with soap.
So what good does it do for your face?
I'm saying to put it on my face, but me not put that down in my body.
It detoxes your body and draw all the poison and all the elements and all those little things that
but not for you to just take up the charcoal and eat it, does it?
So if you mix it in a water, not the same thing. You have to light it, make it get active, then you cool it, then you grate it and add some water to it and drink it. Well, me not have so much precious time. Me just wait until it catch, cool piece, put it in a nice strong, nice pretty white teeth and chew it up, swallow it down. Good enough.
Do you swallow it? Me not swallow it. Me not swallow it though.
No, it's good.
dick.
I'm so
So, what does this do?
There's no breeze blowing, so I need some breeze to get under there to let it start blaze.
Okay.
Yeah. Chew. It's so it goes.
Come here, don't look like it's gonna drop off. Alright guys, so this is the chicken that we're cooking. We have the ingredients here. We have the flour and then some seasoning that's gonna go inside. What is this? Baking powder? Alright. And we have that seasoning and some little special ingredients that we're not going to tell you. But just know it's the Rochielin sauce.
Yeah.
What is that? Tell me what you said. No. Tell me what you said.
No, I said normally when you use cold soap and so the little ashes make it nice. That's why I tell us like charcoal good for you.
Killing a on that. Comment down below and tell me, do you eat charcoal just by itself like Otavia is proposing, or do you go and get it somewhere else? Would you like cool down the charcoal and eat that? And I don't even know what the charcoal is supposed to be, the one you buy in the store. I guess it's the same thing. I don't know, but leave a comment below and let me know how you guys do the charcoal. If you you know, eat charcoal any at all, or ingest it some way, or drink it as tea or whatever. Tell me how you use charcoal. Not a way you just comfortable and just lie down and not help with the chicken.
No, sir.
Why? Why you not helping us?
I'm tired.
What you tired doing? Why you not helping us?
I'm just relaxing. I soon can help you, man. No worry.
When it done, you just lie down and not helping us. Just come a country for come chill out. But it's alright. The RFC is coming up. Rochielin fried chicken.
Okay.
When I come check out my shop, so put in my little secret sauce, secret ingredient. Don't worry, it's going in.
You work with what is it? That's what we buy. That's what you put down, work with what you're plugging
So guys, the chicken itself is seasoned and the flour is seasoned, so it's gonna be great. Alright, first things first. So I'm gonna dip it in the egg and I dip it in the mix up flour, alright? So we're going to the the bowl kind of small, but you know, we make do. And then over to the flour now. And then now over to the coal stove.
Yeah.
Guys, the goats are coming home now. Which one is Sam? Sam is a big one. Oh. So guys, go on. So guys, look at this baby one. Go on, hey, boy. Go on,
Tell us so they eat them, smell the mango.
So guys, every morning the goats go out and then they come back in the evening, so they're now coming home, you know, them diligent students. Really. But anyways, tomorrow morning we're gonna be tying out the goats and you know the whole experience. I'll show you that because I'm here for a couple of days, so we're gonna really maximize the experience. But for now, RFC, Rochielin fried chicken. Get my hands floury, dirty. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We need a bigger pot. We have space for more?
Yeah, but we don't want
We don't want to crowd the pot too much. Alright guys, so the chicken is looking mighty fine. Rochielin fried chicken is coming along. Alright. So we just took the pot off of the fire because we thought that, you know, we're thinking that it needs a little bit more coal because the fire was too low. So Granny come outside now, finally come help, and she fanning the fire and the coal to make you have a much bigger thing because you kind of move a little lazy. So it's all them things that fly. Hey mama, your arms them strong enough. You know that? They're a proper old lady, your arms them strong. Yeah, see the fire come up back now. I added some more coal. I'm so excited because the chicken look good and it actually smell good. It smell, huh? I could do something right. Yeah man, you're going good man. Hey, fan them. The chicken them are coming, you know? Yeah man. RFC, put in your order today. I'm joking. What have to for yourself?
It's lovely.
Yeah?
Yeah man, it's getting there.
Yeah. I notice you come when the food's soon done.
Let me bring it to this.
Guys, so the cooking is still going on. Tavia kind of take over a little bit because you know she understands the Schweppes. And we're here just going to enjoy the little evening. Tavia, what are we doing with the chicken? Well, no, what we eat with it? Okay. So, in true RFC fashion, we're gonna be having the RFC chicken with brown rice. You understand? No fries, no nothing, brown rice. Oh yes. Wow. So why don't this office so close? So what you just saw was an attempt to get into a pair of skinny jeans. So the trick is to put your foot in a scandal bag and then slide it through the pants so that it goes down. I've never done that before, but I just learned that style. You know, Beyonce said, If you don't, listen, you don't fight with jeans, baby, you don't feel no pain. Are you that? So, dinner is served. This is my RFC, Rochielin fried chicken.
Oi.
It's brown rice and sweet potato.
No.
And I'm gonna enjoy it now. And there's Garnelin over there on the phone. But, yeah, so I'm about to go enjoy. You see my nice golden fried plate. I'm actually very excited. Very excited to taste it and tell me how it tastes.
It's good.
Yeah? We can open a restaurant.
Yeah.
Me and Teva.
Yeah.
Teva being the head chef.
Yeah.
True, be honest. Don't tell a lie.
Yeah, man,
Tastes
tastes
good for
good.
you? I think it tastes good too. How is the KFC?
Nice.
What's your mama? Finger licking good?
Think we're looking good.
Park licking good?
Tastes so good. It's seasoned to the bone.
So I want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and come back for more videos.